What's going on, everybody? It is Brian at Two Indians. How are you doing? I am doing fantastic. It's a great day. Why is it a great day? Because today I am going to put on this brand new Indian LED adaptive Pathfinder headlight. I am so excited. I can't wait to get this on, and I can't wait to show you how it looks at night in the dark in safe and dangerous situations. Hey, before I go any further, let's roll that intro.
Hey, it's Brian and Barbara with Two Indians.
So, I am here in my beautiful palatial studio, garage, shop. And if I'm in my shop, I'm wearing my Two Indians shop shirt. Isn't this cool? But on the back of my shop shirt is my bald spot and my Two Indians logo. This one is done with reflective material. Today, we are gonna put this adaptive LED Pathfinder light on my beautiful Springfield. This headlight comes in either this chrome version or the black version, which I'll show you here also. These are very unique lights because it's the first adaptive headlight that they've put out. I know other brands are out there. I think JW Speaker makes one that people have put on their Indians, which is all cool and everything. But being the Indian fanboy that I am, and I know that you are interested in finding out how this one performs. So let's get this on the bike. I'm gonna make this super quick. As a matter of fact, I think all I'm really gonna do is just snap. It's not there yet, hang on. If you would like complete and detailed instructions on how to remove the nacelle and install a light on your Indian, Springfield, Chief, or vintage motorcycle, I've put a link right up here for you to click on, and it'll take you to one of my earlier videos that gives you all the details. And if you've got a Chieftain or Roadmaster with the classic style fairing, just click on this link up above here. I'm going to take the bike for a ride right now. I'm going to show you the comparison between how the light is now versus some shots I took the other night going around corners, so we could really demonstrate how, you know, the light pattern dips every time you go to the left or the right, and how it rises on the other side too. It changes your field of view, right? It like cuts off half of your field of view with a standard headlight. And that could be dangerous if there's wildlife in the area, deer, things like that. As a matter of fact, there was a bear sighting here. I know it sounds weird, but bears are really common here in Central Florida. Keep an eye out for that. Well, as soon as it gets dark, it's almost dark now, we'll take it out for a ride, and maybe we'll get some video right now of what the light looks like. Alright, this is a really crude demonstration of how the light senses your lean angle and turns on the different elements of the LED lamp. Doesn't really show you the pattern that it throws, but shows you how when you turn and lean the bike, it does light up. So right away here, I can tell instantly that the light pattern for the new adaptive headlight is much broader. It gives me a more even light distribution across the distance in front of me. Now as I get up to the corner here and I make a left turn, look to the left and you'll see the light come on as I go around the turn. See that come on right there and illuminate the road right in front of me. I thought that was amazing. Here it is again. Check that out. Okay, now check this out coming up here. This is a left-hand turn. This is the old headlight. See how much darker it is in the upper left-hand corner? And then we compare it to the new adaptive headlight. See how it lights up that spot on the upper left-hand corner? So my immediate takeaway is that the headlight works as advertised, providing additional light forward of the riding position when the bike has a significant lean angle. Now, long sweeping turns do not activate the additional elements, but then again, you don't really need them in those situations because the light is still keeping the road well lit ahead. So I got back into my neighborhood and was thinking about the recent bear sightings the night before and everything that had been in the news.
Mother with a harrowing survival story. She was attacked by a black bear.
Bear actually had my wife's head in its mouth and started to drag.
Florida wildlife officials want you to be alert. In the past 2 weeks, 5 bears.
A Central Florida woman mauled by a bear just outside of her.
And thankfully, it had me a little more cautious than normal, because suddenly a bear came rushing out of the dark at me.
You're smiling in there, I can see it.
Take this off now?
Boy, what we do for love, huh? Yes, you can take it off now.
Please get this off.
Ta-da!
Okay, so yes, we are having a bit of fun here. At least I was. Shockingly, Barbara was not really into the whole inflatable bear costume thing and was really just humoring me, but after she did her duty for the channel, I left to go record more video, and God bless her, she surprised me when I came home and jumped out of the bushes to give me another scare because, yes, I love stuff like this. But in the end, guys and gals, I absolutely love this headlight. It is far above the stock headlight that comes on the Indian motorcycles and just a notch above the non-adaptive Pathfinder LED headlight. So I highly recommend it. Put it on your Christmas list. Go out and get one, or get one from your significant other that has an Indian motorcycle, because you will not be disappointed. Hey, thanks to the folks at Indian for sending me this evaluation unit. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down, leave a comment, and of course subscribe if you do enjoy it. We would love to have you come back and see some of our other reviews or riding videos. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Have a great day. Have a safe holiday, and we will see you soon.